Hi everyone, Anazio. So I've been promising to do a quick walkthrough. I haven't set everything up yet or finished unpacking everything, but since everyone's been asking, I just did a quick walkthrough, and so I hope you enjoy my first Korean apartment. So this is the hallway, and when you come to the door, you open this. I love there's no keys. You don't need to see me put in my code. You just shut that and open the door, and then you're in. I want to show you my favorite thing. When you close this door, it automatically locks. And if you accidentally don't close your door all the way, it will make a loud little buzzing sound to remind you, hey, your door is still open, come close me. So when you come into your apartment, there is this little floor. Ignore my toes. You take off your day shoes, and then most Koreans, not me, have house shoes. I found that I tend to fall wearing house shoes, and I was like, don't feel safe enough, not gonna do it. But there's this little cabinet right here when you walk in, and that's where I have all my shoes and my hiking book bag. And then these are the bags that you use when you go out shopping, because you have to pay for bags here or bring your own. And then this is the apartment. So with this first door you go in, it is the bathroom. It's a nice little bathroom. And then on this wall is a little shower curtain I put over this door, so then the water doesn't get out, because you don't want to close that door because there's no airflow. And then right here is the shower head, and then it is attached right there to the sink. And then this button, you'll move it one way to use the shower head, and the other way uses this. And this is where all the water drains to, this little drain. And then I use the squeegee. And I thought with a wet room that it would always be wet, but honestly it's only wet for about maybe 20-25 minutes after I shower, and then it's all dry and I don't have to worry about it. Most Koreans use shower shoes. As you can see, the ones that were here are up there, because I almost got a concussion with falling the first few times, and so I don't use them. So around the corner is the kitchen and the living room area. I just got this microwave yesterday and the rice cooker, and yeah, it's a cute little thing. Here is my 2-burner stove. I can guarantee that probably won't be used until someone comes over and assures me I'm not going to blow up the place by using it. We all know Kara is very good at starting fires. And then this is this awesome wall that opens up into the veranda. I'll show you that in a minute. And then this little thing will probably be going if I can find someone who wants it. And then on this side is a blank wall for the moment. And then my little coat rack that has all my jackets on it. And this wall right here, so I can talk to someone who's outside knocking. This is all the light switches. And then this little thing right here, I am going to highlight this because someone else did in one of their videos, and this is the only way I know how to do this, and the only reason I had a hot shower the first time I was here, because this controls your hot water heater. So you turn it on right here, and then turn this on for the shower part. And that also is what heats up the floor, so all the heating is in the floor, which is nice. So if you go out this window right here, you unlock it, and you open it up, this is the veranda, and this has the washing machine, and it drains into that little spot in the floor. all of my overstock. And then your laundry goes up here or on this little folding thing. And then of course I have the recycling bins out here. They were already here, so I figured I'm gonna use them for that, which is nice. And then here's my desk. It's a little messy, but still putting everything where I want it. And then the glorious aircon. The only thing bad about this is the only place it is in this room, and it does not cool down anything else except this room. So it does not cool down the bathroom or the bedroom. So through here is the bedroom. Here's my bed. And then right here's my writing inspiration wall, because soon the bed will be moving into the living room once I get the blackout curtains. This is my closet. They don't really do closets in Korea, so it's all like that, I guess. And then this was here before, so it's a little makeup stand. My mirror, my fan. And it's awesome. This door right here leads to a little storage unit, which this is where I put all my suitcases. And yeah, I don't really do anything in this room because it's very, very like hot and muggy. So I just use it to put my suitcases. And there you go. There's the tour. So I hope that you enjoyed this very quick walkthrough. I didn't want to do a long one because a lot of changes are going to be made once I start getting some of the stuff that I've ordered and trying to work with this aircon and just making things work better for me. So once I have everything completed, I'll probably do the video again, or I'll just take pictures and post them so people can see it on Facebook. And I hope that you enjoyed the video and are enjoying all the other videos and pictures that I've been posting. And I hope that you've been enjoying my journey so far. I have absolutely loved Korea since I've landed here, and I can't wait to see what else happens. Have a great day.